Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Shah's Maths Clinic. Today we are starting with chapter number 3, exercise number 3.2. So before starting with that, first of all, chapter number 3, that's trigonometric function. Okay. So before starting with this, in the last lecture we already studied about how to convert radian into the degree and degree into the radian. So today we are going to learn about the trigonometric functions. We have total 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, the reciprocals, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, so we have this total 6 trigonometric functions. So first of all, how we are going to find out the values for that? So for that we are going to consider one unit circle. We are going to consider here one unit circle. So that's one unit circle here. So this is your x-axis and that's your y-axis. According to the definition of the unit circle, the radiuses are going to be 1, 1, 1. Total angle of a circle is always going to be 360 degree. 360, that is 90, 90, 90. So this is, we are starting with the 0, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. That's the total angle of a circle, obviously going to be 360. We have already studied this in a 10 standard that any point on a x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Any point on a x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. Any point on a y-axis, its x coordinate 0. Any point on a y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. So this is unit circle radius, that is radiuses are 1, 1, 1. So this is going to be 1. This is on the opposite side, so this is equals to minus 1. This is going to be 1, this is on the opposite side, so this will be minus 1. In maths we already studied about the order pair. Order pair में first क्या होता है? What is the first value? So first is x, second is y. First is x, second is y. But in trigonometric function, if we are going to take any value, so the values are like this. यहाँ पे if I am going to consider any point P known as the theta, that is P of theta. So this will be P of cos theta, sin theta. In short, जो x coordinate था, that is cos theta. Whatever the y coordinate, that is sin theta. So in trigonometric point, first is cos, second is sin. क्या होता है बेटा? ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में whenever the coordinates are there on a unit circle, so first is cos, second is sin. बोलो, first is cos, second is sin. First is cos, second is sin. First is cos, second is sin. Is it okay? Sure, 100%. Okay. अब आपने ऐसा कुछ 10 standard में पढ़ा था that we have the value like this: sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1 and sin 90, 1, cos 90, 0. सही या गलत यहाँ से दिखाता हूँ from the unit circle. Check this out. This is 0. Okay, first क्या बोला आपने? Cos. Second क्या बोला? Sin. What's the value of cos 0? So 1. Here it is. What's the value of sin 0? 0. Here it is. What's the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is what here? 0. So here it is. That is 0. What's the value of sin 90? That is 1. So here is the value 1. So this is what how you have got the values in 10th standard. ये 11 साइंस में आपको सीखना है. These are the values that we have derived from the unit circle only. Is it okay? Sure. Okay. Now I am writing this unit circle in the form of डिग्री से मैं रेडियन में इसको लिखता हूँ, in the form of रेडियन में. So check this out. That's the unit circle. This is your unit circle. X-axis. That's your y-axis. So here 0 degree, that is 0 radian. 90 degree, that is pi by 2. 180 degree, that is pi. 270 degree, that is equals to 3 pi by 2. And once again यहाँ पे this will be 360, that is equals to 2 pi. 360, that is 2 pi. 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Again 0 to pi by 2. So that's the first quadrant. Pi by 2 to pi, that is second quadrant. Pi to 3 pi by 2, that is third quadrant. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, that is fourth quadrant. Is it okay? Once again, 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant, pi by 2 to pi second quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2 third quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi is the fourth quadrant. So we'll make a note here. Number 1, the first quadrant will be from where to where? So that is 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Second quadrant, तो second quadrant कहाँ से होगा? Pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Third quadrant, that is equals to what? So pi less than 3, pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. Pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. Okay. The fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant is from where to where? So fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi. So fourth quadrant is from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So once again the value would be the same one. This is going to be 1 0, this is going to be minus 1 0, this is going to be 0 comma 1, and this point is going to be 0 comma minus 1. So now we will always going to deal with the angles in the radian form. इसको मैं radian form में ही रखने वाला हूँ. Is it okay? Now one more thing, that's the most important one, and that's going to help you in physics as well in maths. Check this out. In which quadrant which function is positive, which function is negative, the most important one. So for this I made one formula, one result like this. Here all S T C. या add sugar to coffee. क्या बोला? add sugar to coffee. बोल add sugar to coffee. बोलो add sugar to coffee. Add यानी first quadrant. This is from 0 to pi by 2. This is going to be pi by 2 to pi. Next is going to be pi to 3 pi by 2. Last is going to be 2 pi. Okay. So 0 to pi by 2. That's the first quadrant. First quadrant में कौन positive? All. Add means add का ये, that is all. First quadrant में all positive. So in the first quadrant, what do you have? All functions are positive. First quadrant, all are positive. All are positive. Second quadrant. So second quadrant में as per sign add sugar, as per sign and उसका reciprocal positive. Third quadrant में T for 10. So third quadrant 10 positive, and the last फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में C फॉर कॉस एंड उसका रेसिप्रोकल, सो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कॉस पॉजिटिव. सो वंस अगेन चेक दिस आउट. इस पे ही नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के सारे सम करने वाले बेटा, सो पे प्रॉपर अटेंशन है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑल पॉजिटिव, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट साइन पॉजिटिव, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट tan पॉजिटिव, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कॉस पॉजिटिव. अगेन क्या बोला, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑल पॉजिटिव, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट साइन पॉजिटिव, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट tan पॉजिटिव, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कॉस पॉजिटिव. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट कौन सा है, ऑलरेडी हमने लिखा 0 to π/2, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट π/2 to π, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट π to 3π/2, fourth quadrant 3π to 2π. So once again, first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sin positive, third quadrant tan positive, fourth quadrant cos positive. That is, add sugar to coffee bowl, add sugar to coffee, bolo bolo, add sugar to coffee. All positive, sin positive, tan positive, cos positive. Is it okay? Sure? 100%? Any doubt in this? Not at all? Okay. Make a note. लिख लो बेटा इतना, और अभी प्रिपेयर करना है इसको. Is it okay? Okay. The next. That is a unit circle. यहाँ पे कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज आती है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू चेक. ओके, सो 0, π/2, π, 3π/2, 2π. ओके, 0, π/2, π, 3π/2, 2π. तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी, 0, उसके बाद 2π, 4π, 6π, 8π, da 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 da. इस तरह, here this is going to be pi, 3π, 5π, 7π, da 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 da. This is going to be π/2, 3π/2, 5π/2, 7π/2, 9π/2, 11π/2, up to da 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 da. Yes or no? Okay, this you have to remember, compulsory. Is it okay? Sure? Okay, now the most important thing, once again, in a 10 standard, you already studied the formula like this. Sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta. So, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Again, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. But we have replaced 90 by what? π/2. So sin π/2 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos π/2 minus theta equals to sin theta. How it comes, that you have to check, but before that remember one thing, π/2 आएगा, फंक्शन चेंज लाएगा. क्या बोला बेटा, π/2 आएगा, फंक्शन चेंज लाएगा. π/2 आएगा, फंक्शन चेंज लाएगा. देख बेटा, π/2 माइनस, या इट इज, दिस इज π/2. अगर मैं माइनस बोलूँ तो वापिस जाने का, कहाँ पे जाने का, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन एंड दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. क्लॉक इस तरफ चलता है ना, द वे लाइक दिस क्लॉक मूव्स एंड वी आर टेकिंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, सो दिस साइड. ओके, सो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, π/2 माइनस, विच क्वाड्रेंट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल आर पॉजिटिव, यानी यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, साइन पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव का ही सिंबल, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, साइन का कॉस। फिर से पाई बाई 2 माइनस, या इट इज पाई बाई 2 माइनस विच क्वाड्रेंट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल आर पॉजिटिव, सो हियर व्हाट यू हैव, यहाँ पे फंक्शन कौन सा है, साइन, तो वो पॉजिटिव होगा वैल्यू, बट यहाँ पे उसके साथ क्या है, सो दिस इज पाई बाई 2, सो पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा इक्वल्स टू क्या मिलेगा, फंक्शन चेंज होगा, साइन होगा तो कॉस, कॉस होगा तो साइन। इज इट ओके? पता चला इतना? वंस अगेन चेक दिस आउट, कॉस पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा, हियर इट इज पाई बाई 2 माइनस विच क्वाड्रेंट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस इज पॉजिटिव, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं अब आगे क्या होता है, साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा, क्या बोला बेटा, साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, प्लस बोला तो आगे जाने का, विच क्वाड्रेंट, पाई बाई 2 प्लस सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन कैसा, पॉजिटिव। याद रखना बेटा, पहले फंक्शन की साइन देखने की, उसके बाद उसको चेंज करने का, पहले फंक्शन की क्या देखने की, साइन, उसके बाद चेंज, वरना आप ऐसा बोलोगे, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग हियर, साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस दैट इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस, यहाँ पे पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, कॉस थीटा, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस थीटा मिला, बट आप तो अभी ऐसा बोलोगे, आपने तो बोला था सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस नेगेटिव, तो ये पॉजिटिव क्यों आया, हमने बोला था ना, ऑल एस टी सी, यहाँ पे साइन ही पॉजिटिव, बाकी सारे तो नेगेटिव होते हैं, सो वाई कॉस इज पॉजिटिव हियर, कॉस पॉजिटिव क्यों आया, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से आया है, ओके, साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा करके आया है, दैट इज द रीजन दिस इज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू। अब देख मैजिक, कॉस पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा, चेक दिस आउट, पाई बाई 2 प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस इज नेगेटिव यानी माइनस, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, माइनस साइन थीटा, भाई आपने तो बोला था सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन पॉजिटिव, वंस अगेन इट हैज कम ड्यू टू द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, कॉस पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा करके आया है, दैट्स द रीजन दिस इज माइनस साइन थीटा बेटा। आर यू गेटिंग? पता चल रहा है? फिर से एक बार, साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन इज पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव वैल्यू डाली, पाई बाई 2 प्लस, क्या बोला, पाई बाई 2 प्लस, तो पाई बाई 2 प्लस सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, साइन का हो गया कॉस, कॉस पाई बाई 2 प्लस सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस इज नेगेटिव, पाई बाई 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, सो दैट वुड बी माइनस साइन थीटा। इज इट ओके? श्योर? अब पाई के लिए देखते हैं, चलो पाई के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर साइन ऑफ पाई प्लस थीटा, सो वंस अगेन पाई, ये रहा पाई प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में कौन पॉजिटिव, सिर्फ 10 पॉजिटिव, यानी साइन यहाँ पे क्या होगा, नेगेटिव, सो माइनस साइन थीटा। उसके बाद यहाँ से पाई चला जाता है, कॉस ऑफ पाई प्लस थीटा, सो वंस अगेन पाई प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, पाई प्लस दैट इज थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस इज नेगेटिव, tan of पाई प्लस थीटा, tan of पाई प्लस थीटा, वंस अगेन पाई प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट, वंस अगेन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan is पॉजिटिव, सो दैट इज tan थीटा। माइनस में देखते हैं क्या होगा, इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर पाई माइनस, तो क्या मिलेगा वो एक बार देख लो, साइन ऑफ पाई माइनस थीटा, ओके, पाई माइनस विच क्वाड्रेंट, पाई माइनस दैट इज इन अ सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन पॉजिटिव, कॉस ऑफ पाई माइनस थीटा, So once again second quadrant में cos is negative, so minus cos theta. एक 3 पाई बाई 2 और एक 2 पाई का भी देख लेते हैं. So once again sin of 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is sin 3 pi by 2 plus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Cos is negative, sorry sin है, so this is sin is negative. Once again sin 3 pi by 2 plus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Sin is negative, pi by 2 आया, फंक्शन चेंज लाया, माइनस कॉस थीटा. देखो इधर फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट है, कॉस पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए बट ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से आया, दैट्स द रीजन दिस इज नेगेटिव. आई एम राइटिंग हियर साइन ऑफ 2 पाई माइनस थीटा. सो 2 पाई हियर इट इज 2 पाई माइनस विच क्वाड्रेंट? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में साइन इज नेगेटिव. आर यू गेटिंग? पता चल रहा है कहाँ पे पॉजिटिव कहाँ पे नेगेटिव, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? श्योर 100%. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इफ cos x इक्वल्स टू -1 by 2 वेर x लाइज इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट कौन सा होता है बेटा? Okay, exercise number 3.2, question number 1. If cos x that is equals to -1 by 2 lies in a third quadrant, then find rest of 5 trigonometric values. So here we are going to solve this sum by two methods. The first one, that is what you are given, cos x equals to -1 by 2, the first method. So यहाँ पे cos x that is equals to -1 by 2 lies in the third quadrant. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का मतलब क्या होगा? So third quadrant means pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Now that lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant में cos is negative, that's the reason here minus sign is there. Now first of all we know that, what do you know? That sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is what we know. What do we know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now we have the value of cos square with us, so I am going to make sin square as a subject. So sin square theta that is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus 1 by 2 the square equals to 1 minus, this is going to be 1 by 4. ले ले LCM ले ले, 4 1 are 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3 by 4. One more step here, 4 1 are 4 minus 1 by 3, 4, so by 4. So this is equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3, so that will be 3 by 4. That is the value of sin square theta. What I want is sin theta, therefore sin theta equals to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now remember that you are in 11th sense, that means whenever you are going to take a square root, it must be a plus or minus. But x that is equals to theta is in which quadrant? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है बेटा? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है. therefore sin x that is sin theta will be negative, because already हमने देख लिया था. क्या देखा था? that in a third quadrant में क्या होता है? all as t, सिर्फ tan and उसका रेसिप्रोकल पॉजिटिव, बाकी सारे नेगेटिव. That's the reason this is sin x minus root 3 by 2. Therefore tan x that is equals to what? So tan x equals to sin x by cos x. So sin x equals to what? Minus root 3 by 2. your cos x equals to what? So cos x equals to minus 1 by 2, minus minus udi udi, this 2 udi udi. So what do you have? Minus minus plus, this 2 cancel. So what we have is, therefore tan x equals to root 3, means you have got the value of sin x, tan x, cos x. बाकी उसके रेसिप्रोकल्स है, therefore the first value, that is sec x. So sec x equals to minus 2. The next is going to be cosec x, that's the reciprocal of sin, that is equals to minus 2 by root 3. And the last is going to be cot x, that is equals to 1 by root 3. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. The first sum we did by the regular method, that is using the identity. Second sum we are going to do it by the Pythagoras theorem. And by any method you can solve the sum. So let's start with the number 2, second sum. What you are given? It's given that if sin x equals to 3 by 5 positive, it must be in a first or in second quadrant. लिखा है x is in second quadrant. कौन से quadrant में लिखा? Second quadrant में. So बाकी के 5 trigonometric functions की value we need to find. So here I am going to use what? So Pythagoras theorem. आओ Pythagoras sir को बुला रहे हैं हम. Welcome sir. So this is what you have. That's going to be your right angle triangle. This is your A, this is your B, and that's your C. So now sin x का मतलब क्या होता है? This is suppose x your angle. Sin theta का मतलब that is equals to what? So that will be opposite by hypotenuse. So this is going to be 3, this is going to be 5. So according to triplet this is going to be 4. Still we are going to find it out. We know that AC square equals to what? So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. I need BC square. So BC square equals to AC square minus AB square. AC square 25, AB square 9, this is equals to 16, this is your BC square. Side cannot be negative, so I am not going to take plus or minus, this would be 4. BC is the side and side cannot be negative. So now the function's value, the first one sin x is already given, its reciprocal, that is cosec x, once again second quadrant, that would be positive. Next cos x, cos का मतलब होता है क्या? Adjacent angles, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that would be minus 4 by 5 because second quadrant cos is negative. उसका reciprocal sec, once again second quadrant, that would be negative. Next is going to be tan x. Tan का मतलब क्या होता है? So that is opposite by adjacent. So this is 3 by 4. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Tan is negative. Reciprocal of that cot, once again it is also going to be negative. Do right reason here, since second quadrant. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. What is second quadrant's value? Pi by 2 less than x less than pi. That's the reason. Other than the sign, rest of all the functions are negative. Is it okay? Sin cos x positive, rest all are negative. Are you getting? Sure? 100%. Let's begin with the next. Number 3. If cot x equals to 3 by 4, where x lies in the third quadrant. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant में tan is positive, उसका reciprocal cot is positive, बाकी सारे negative. So I am going to use a Pythagoras theorem once again. So this is going to be a right angle triangle. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Cot x का मतलब क्या होता है? So adjacent by opposite. So this is going to be 5. Okay, 16 plus 9, that would be 25. उसका square root, that is going to be 5. Cot x 3 by 4. Therefore tan x equals to 4 by 3. Okay. Third quadrant, sin cos negative, sin x equals to minus 4 by 5. Sin theta equals to angles opposite by hypotenuse minus 4 by 5. Cos theta angles adjacent by hypotenuse. तो पहले तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिख देता हूँ. Cosec x that is equals to minus 5 by 4. The next is going to be what? So next equals to cos x. Cos x equals to minus 3 by 5. Since second नहीं third quadrant. Next is going to be sec x, that is the reciprocal of cos x, again going to be a minus 5 by 3. We'll write down the reason here. Since third quadrant में क्या मिलेगा बेटा? So third quadrant में मिलेगा मुझे क्या? Pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Are you getting? Sure? Make a note. Next, number 4. If sec x equals to 13 by 5, where x lies in the fourth quadrant. So sec का reciprocal, that is cos x, that will be what? 5 by 13. देखते ही पता चल गया cos x से पॉजिटिव है, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में है. We're going to use Pythagoras theorem. So this is going to be a right angle. This is going to be your x, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Cos x equals to adjacent by hypotenuse 169 minus 25, that is 144. Is it okay? Sure? 100%? Any doubt in this? Not 144, that is AB square. But I want AB only, so 144 का square root, that is equals to 12 here. So this is 12, this is 13, this is 5. So now what I want in the fourth quadrant, rest of the trigonometric values. So first sin x equals to minus, fourth quadrant negative, angles opposite side by the hypotenuse minus 12 by 30. Cosec x, that is equals to minus 13 by 12. The next is going to be tan x, fourth quadrant negative, minus 12 by 5, and the cot x, once again reciprocal of this, minus 5 by 12. Since fourth quadrant के अंदर क्या मिलता है? So that is 3 pi by 2 less than x less than 2 pi. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cos is positive, बाकी सारे नेगेटिव. Is it okay? Sure? 100%. Let's start with the next. Number 5. If tan x equals to minus 5 by 12, x lies in a second quadrant. कौन से quadrant में है बेटा x? In a second quadrant. Okay, so tan x minus 5 by 12, second quadrant, sign positive, बाकी सारे negative. So we'll use a Pythagoras theorem here. So this is going to be a right angle triangle. This is going to be A, this is going to be B, this is going to be C, this is going to be your x. So tan x, that is equals to what? So tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent 25 plus 144, 169 का square root, that is 13. Therefore cot x, that is equals to reciprocal of tan minus 12 by 5. Second quadrant में sin is positive, sin x equals to 5 by 13, reciprocal cosec x equals to 13 by 5. The next is going to be what? So next is going to be cos x. Second quadrant में cos is negative, minus 12 by 13, sec x, once again reciprocal of this, minus 13 by 12. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर या चलेगा बेटा? Sure, make a note. Next, number 6. Find the value of sin 765 degree. Sin 765 degree. So what do you have to do? हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? So first of all, I am going to convert this out into the nearest values, that is 360 की nearest value. Check this out. 362 is 720. 720 plus 45. Once again, 360 into 2, that is 720. 720 plus 45. 360 means क्या होता है बेटा? So this is 2 pi. 2 2s are 4 pi. So 4 pi plus 45. 4 pi plus. So here it is. तो जैसा आपको ऑलरेडी बताया था, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ 4 पाई. 4 पाई यहाँ पे आएगा. 4 पाई प्लस विच क्वाड्रेंट? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है बेटा? ऑल आर पॉजिटिव. सो साइन इज पॉजिटिव एंड साइन 45 की वैल्यू दैट वुड बी 1/√. इज इट ओके? फिर से इसको नियरेस्ट वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करने का 765 को, the nearest value is 362 362 720. 720 plus 45, that's going to be 765. 360 means what? So 360, that is equals to 2 pi. So 360 is 2 pi. 2 pi into 2. 2 into 2 pi equals to क्या मिलेगा बेटा? 4 pi. So this is going to be 4 pi plus 45. 4 pi कहाँ पे होगा? So this will be here. 4 pi plus which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant में sign is positive. So this is going to be a sin 45, and the value of sin 45, that will be 1/. Let's start with the next sum. Number 2, cosec minus 1410. Okay, before starting this, one fundamental concept that you have to remember forever. Number 1, sine of minus theta equals to minus sine theta, and number 2, cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. That is, once again, pay proper attention. Sine of minus theta equals to minus sine theta, and cos of minus theta equals to क्या बोला? So cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. That is, sine is odd function, cos is even function. यहाँ पे माइनस बाहर आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे माइनस एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा. cos of minus theta equals to cos theta, sin of minus theta equals to minus of sin theta. अगर sin में माइनस है, this minus will be out. अगर cos में माइनस है एंगल में, that minus will be absorbed by the theta. Remember these two things, most important one. Let's begin with the next. Cosec of minus 1410. So this is equals to cosec of minus theta equals to minus cosec theta 1410 degree. So this is equals to minus cosec of 364 1440. उसमें से मैं 30 डिग्री सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देता हूँ. So this is equals to what? 1410. 36 4s are, that is going to be 144 into 0, that is 1440, minus 30, that would be 1410. 364s are, once again, कहाँ पे आएगा? So this is equals to y, so this is going to be here only. 360 means 2 pi, 2 into 4, that would be 8 pi. 8 pi will be here. 8 pi minus, क्या बोला बेटा? 8 pi minus. 8 pi minus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में cosec is negative. Fourth quadrant में cosec कैसा बेटा? Negative, यानी minus cosec 30 degree. Minus minus plus, this is going to be cosec 30 degree, and the value of cosec 30, that would be 2 sin 30 का reciprocal. Sin 30 1/2, उसका reciprocal, that would be 2. Once again, फिर से एक बार, cosec 1440 माइनस था, मैंने उसको बाहर लिया. because cosec is an odd function, minus will be out. Minus cosec 1410, minus cosec 360 into 4, minus 30, because 364s are 1440, minus 30, that is 1410. 3, this is going to be 8 pi. 8 pi minus means नीचे जाने का in a clockwise direction, so that is in a fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में cosec is negative, 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 positive, and cosec 30, that's the reciprocal of sin 30, that is equals to 2. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Is it okay? Sure? Make a note. The next one. 10, 19 pi by 3. 10, 19 pi by 3. Now remember the most important concept here. इसका नज़दीक का मल्टीपल लेने का. किसका? 19 का नज़दीक का मल्टीपल. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So you can split them like this. 10 of 18 pi plus pi by 3. Once again, 6 3s are 18. 3 के टेबल में 19 से नज़दीक वाला 18. So 6 3s are 18. This is equals to what? So 10 of. Just give the denominator to both of this. 6 3s are 18 plus pi by 3. 6 pi. कहाँ पे होगा? फिर से एक बार. 10 of 6 pi. That will be here. 6 pi plus which quadrant? First quadrant. 10 is positive. 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 की value that is equals to root 3. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. 10 pi by 3, that is tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3. This you have already studied in standard and नहीं आता है. So just remember these two triangles. अगर values आपको मुंह पे नहीं आ रही है, you have to prepare it by hook or by crook. For the time being, this is going to be the solution. This is going to be pi by 6. This is going to be pi by 3. This is going to be what? So that is equals to what? 1, 2, root 3. Okay? And for a pi by 4, check this out. This is going to be a pi by 4, right angle triangle. This is going to be a pi by 4. That is going to be 1, 1, root 2. Check this out now. This is pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Pi by 4 that's going to be a 45 degree. एकदम इजी हो गया. याद इस तरह से रखने का. 1 root 3 2, 1 1 root 2. फिर से 1 root 3 2, 1 1 root 2. बोलो 1 root 3 2, 1 1 root 2. ये pi by 3 means 60 degree. tan theta का मतलब क्या होता है? So that is opposite by adjacent. root 3 by 1, that is root 3 here. Sin 30, तो ये रहा 30 डिग्री. साइन का मतलब क्या होता है? ऑपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेनियस, 1 by 2. cos 30, एडजेसेंट बाय हाइपोटेनियस, root 3 by 2. tan 30, that is equals to what? So that is opposite by adjacent, so 1 by root 3. Is it okay? Sure. Similarly, sin 45, 1 by root 2. cos 45, 1 by root 2. tan 45, 1 by 1, that is 1. sin pi by 4, so that is angles. ये रहा एंगल, दोनों सेम ही है. एंगल्स ऑपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेनियस. इज इट ओके? इस तरह से इसको प्रिपेयर करना. यू आर एबल टू गेट द आंसर इन अ क्विक मैनर. मेक अ नोट. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 9. साइन ऑफ -11 pi by 3. So sin is an odd function, minus will be out, 3 4s are 12. So can I write down this as 12 pi minus pi by 3? मैंने ये कैसे किया? How I did? तो यहाँ पे मैंने पहले ही बोला इसका नज़दीक का मल्टीपल ले रहा हूँ मैं. 3 3s are 9 होता है, 3 4s are 12. 12 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो 11 मिल जाता है. That's the reason I have taken here 12 pi minus pi by 3. This is equals to minus of sin of 4 3s are 12 minus pi by 3. So 4 pi कहाँ पे होगा? चेक कर लो बेटा ज़रा. This is 4 pi, that will be here. This is 4 pi. 4 pi minus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में sin is negative, minus sin pi by 3 minus minus plus sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 means क्या होता है बेटा? So that is 60 and sin 60 की वैल्यू अभी मैंने बताई, that would be root 3 by 2. Check this out. Sin 60 here it is, opposite by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. This is what you have. Is it okay? Sure? 100%? Okay, make a note. नोट बनाओ इसके बेटा, लिख लो ज़रा. Next, number 10, cot of minus 15 pi by 4. So cot is an all function, minus will be out. Cot of, this is going to be 15 pi by 4. Nearest multiple, that would be 16. So this is equals to cot of 4, 4 is 16. So that is 16 pi minus pi by 4. This is equals to minus cot of 16 pi. Split them out. So this is 4 pi minus pi by 4. Once again, what will be 4 pi? 4 pi कहाँ पे आएगा बेटा? So once again 4 pi is here. This is going to be 4 pi. 4 pi minus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में cot is negative. So minus cot of minus pi by 4. Minus is already there. So minus of minus cot of pi by 4. So minus minus plus, this is cot pi by 4. And the value of cot pi by 4, that is equals to 1. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Is it okay? Sure? Okay. So this is what you have all about exercise number 3.2. Tomorrow in the next lecture, we'll study about the range of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Their ranges, their zeros, and once again the revision of the trigonometric values where you have the maximum problem. Okay, so once again, tomorrow in the next lecture, we are going to study about the range, zeros and the trigonometric value. Till that, just best of luck. Do it in a proper way. Do the homework properly. Is it okay? Sure? Okay. Bye.